World, it's BK here, and I'm with my 2007 Toyota Yaris DD, and we're gonna go ahead and change the coolant. So here we have a really big thing, these things. So it's not gonna fit under our lowered car, so we're gonna lift the car up. I've had this car for a few years, and I know it's super windy, so I apologize. And we've never changed the coolant. It's been a pretty hot summer this year, and it was a really hot summer last year. So I'm hopeful that this will keep the car running for a while. If you're new here, you might be asking what these signatures are for. Subscribe to the channel. We'll put your name on the Yaris. Now that we have it off the ground and secured off on jack stands, we're going to push our coolant catcher there. And then we're gonna undo this. You see this screw here? That is the drain plug. So when we pull this out, all the coolant should start to come out. Yep, and as you can see, it is. Never supposed to open this when the engine's hot, and we have been driving it around, but the system should be depressurized by now, so hopefully nothing bad happens. We didn't die. Look, there is some crusties going on the cap. You can see that. So these cars take 1 1/4 gallons. So what I'm gonna do is run 1 gallon of distilled water through that, and that should help flush it out. And then we'll use the distilled water gallon jug to mix our concentrate. 2 gallons here. We have a concentrate and a thing. This should produce 2 gallons, but obviously we only need 1 gallon and a quarter. So the water is now clear instead of pink. So we've managed to more or less flush out all of the coolant. So we stopped dripping. Valve now. Just get it nice and tight. Get it all nice and snug. Okay, it's tight now. And then we'll just fill this up with 1 gallon and some. We do a little streak of the Kool-Aid. And that's it. Just fill it up with the new stuff and you're good to go. Don't forget to recycle your old coolant. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you learned something, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to watch more videos about your car, then check out this. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.